we're cooking a delicious sous vide pork shoulder butt roast. And it has a bone in. We're going to have to remove that. Alright, that's not too bad. We're going to keep the marinade real simple. Okay, we added the marinade to the bag. I'll zip it up. Put our lid on. 24 hours is almost up. We got 1 minute left on the clock here. And our pork shoulder butt roast will be done. That glaze is really good. Now let's put this in the air fryer and crisp this baby up a little bit. Yeah, let's just go ahead and cut one more piece here. It's really beautiful. Oh, you talk about tender. And the crust is absolutely beautiful and caramelized on there. For the holidays here, this is going to be good. Okay, let's have a little taste. Oh my gosh. The glazing on that ham. See that crust? Beautiful crust.